Hey, how's it going, guys? Ben here, and today I want to talk about the Slingshot Indicator and how it predicts and trades at a 90% accuracy on select stock market assets. So tickers like Apple, Tesla, Walmart, things like that. And really, all you got to do is wait for this big blue candle to show up on the chart. And it's called the Slingshot Indicator. And so essentially, there's 3 steps to it. Very simply, it is a very simple concept. You see the blue candle on the chart, and when you see that, you buy. And that's essentially all you got to do. So you see the big bright candle, you see that right there, and then there's a stop loss, there's a take profit. You go and you buy in right at that candle, and then you go and essentially you have to wait for take profit or stop loss to hit. And then simply there is yellow candles. And so essentially what the yellow candles are, it's a warning system. So these are warning candles. And so basically warning is saying, hey, there could be a setup coming, and then there's just those dynamic exits. And so it's really cool. It's really interesting. There's actually some really great trading here. This was Walmart. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, it was just nailing those bounces. Essentially, it's only buy only indicator, and so it's only going to trade those bounce trade opportunities. And here's even some options trade. So this is a nice NVIDIA ripper that's a 77%er. That's a 300% option. And here's a 51. Here's a 50. Here's another 50. Really cool, really good trades. And then there is some really cool stuff I wanted to show you down here as well. So this is all of the win rates with specific tickers. So this is the SPY. This is Costco. This is Walmart, XLB. This is KO, Coca-Cola. So pretty much all these win rates not of over 90%. So 88, 89, 93, 88. So really cool, really solid. That is the Slingshot. And actually here it is on the chart. So I do have access to the Slingshot Indicator. So I do want to show you it. I want to show it off a little bit. So a couple cool things that I love about this. So number one is you have the dynamic take profit stop loss right there at the top. Very simple to identify where your target is, where the stop loss is. And then obviously there's that nice yellow candles with that big blue, bright, big bright blue candle right there. That signifies a buy opportunity. And then sure enough, it went up here to the take profit zone. So this was Apple. This was a nice Apple trade. I don't know if there was any other Apple trades before this. Oh yeah, here's one. So it actually pulled back a little bit before it did come back into this nice trading zone. So this was a nice little pullback you see right here. And then it did actually, it was down a little bit at one point. It was down almost 4%, which is, some folks would panic, but with the strategy, it's fine. And it actually came back up and hit that take profit. So it is really solid. It's really good. It's not 100%. It's definitely not 100%. This is a really good one. So look at that. Look at that big time sell off. A nice entry right here. It's always hard to catch the exact perfect moment. This did catch a nice trade though. It did come down a little bit more before gapping right up. So that would have been what, two days gap right up. You got an options trade 30 days out. You're doing all right. You're doing pretty good. So pretty cool. This is the Slingshot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have the link to, you can go to this page. You can check this out. You can read it yourself. You can see all the different trade ideas. You can see exactly, there might be some stuff that I actually missed, and you can see it all. And if you notice at the bottom right here, at the time of this video, there's a 1-year anniversary sale happening. Right now, there is a 70% discount. So you can go ahead and grab that as well if you like. If not, that's up to you as well. But pretty cool. Slingshot is awesome. And, it nails some of these trades. I mean, the SPY, even alone, 88%. That is incredible. That is an incredible win rate. And you can see even right here, this is 77, 57 trades. So there's a lot of trades, a lot of back testing involved with this as well. And it did really well with that. So just wanted to show you guys real quick, the power of some of these systems, the power of some of these indicators. This is a really cool one by Find Better Trades. So go ahead and check it out. And if you guys are interested in it, there will be a link in the description that you can go and grab it yourself.